GROVIA products, more than it shows.
Hello guys, today we are going to introduce and test a PU sealant. There are two types to choose from, construction PU sealant and carving shelled PU sealant. Let's get it working. First, use the nozzle to poke through the sealant layer, then cut off the glue nozzle. And remove the easy-to-pour cover. We use electric caulking gun this time. The speed can be adjusted according to requirements. You could see the sealant come out quite easily. And the surface is smooth without any granules. Also, the A311R PU sealant had excellent succession and zap resistance. The take time is about 30 to 60 minutes. After precured, you could see that the strength and elasticity are very good. Now we increase the rate and still be able to enjoy it. Tensile strength greater than or equal to 5 MPa.